Hey, I'm Tilly. I do a level 2 music and production course.
I'm Sophie. I also study level 2 music and production.
Well, as much as every music kid will tell you they love music, and as much as I do rely on it as my life support and to get through everyday life, I do genuinely love singing, and it's gotten me through some hard times.
Yeah, I love singing. It's like a getaway from everything, and the course is so creative. You can do whatever you want and express however you want.
I do plan on coming back to Cambria again and doing another course, health and social, and then I'm planning on trying to find my way into becoming a music therapist. In 4 years, me and my friend have been saving. We've already been saving for 5 years, and we plan on traveling the world. And wherever I go, I'm going to try and find those opportunities to share music with the world and try and help people along the way.
Yeah, I'll be going back carrying on with the level 3 music and production to eventually somewhat be in the music industry. All I want to be doing is being around music and everything.